my lovelies, and welcome back to Touched by Heaven. Today we're going to be talking about a treasure that I just came across. Super excited to let you guys know about this. So if you would like to find out what that item is, then keep on watching. You know it that only the best of products deserves the drum roll, please. Milani. We're gonna get right into that. So if you're like me and you don't use chapstick on a regular because you don't have the time, your lips are gonna be cracked, but that's okay. We have this lovely hard candy lip primer. It has been loving these lips. So we're gonna go in, just do a quick 1-2, and then your lips will just drink it up. So this is her, and I wanted to show you guys this because of this wand. It is just amazing. Look at that. It's not like your average wand. It's flat and super fluffy. So we are just going to grab a little bit more product on this and just do a quick 1-2. Oh my God. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh, I am obsessed. And that's cool because this is in the shade Obsession and it smells so good. I promise you, you will be obsessed with it. All right. As you know, with all matte colors, you're going to want to not press your lips together. I just want to give this a quick second to dry before we move on. So, hold on. Aren't you just obsessed with this color? That color is everything. Guys, I knew that was a quick one, but I just wanted to show you guys this new product that I found and absolutely have fallen in love with. Like, I'm gonna go get, I think there's like 12 different shades that they sell, and I am going to get every single one of them, and I will make sure to do a review so that you can see all of these lovely colors. Milani. That's a really pretty name. Honestly, I bought it because of the name. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Milani. I legit bought it because of the name. Guys, before I go, I would like to remind you that on Sunday's video, we will be announcing our subscriber winner for this giveaway. Rules are, you must be subscribed to my channel, drop a couple likes, and sound off in the comments below for your chance to add this bad boy to your collection. The more active you are on my page, the better your chances of winning. So share, like, and comment, and show us some love. As always, I wanted to remind each and every one of you that you are beautiful just the way you are. If you would like to slay like me, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love